So I wanted to talk to you about momentum, aura, and traction. Basically, realize that by doing one thing, you're gaining momentum, gaining momentum, gaining momentum. At one point, someone is going to know you for doing this one thing. And if you keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, especially in the same place, realize that it will start to attract people to you doing that one thing. I'm specifying this because I think it's important to focus in life. If you're the photographer, be the photographer. You could be a jack of all trades, but here's the thing: it makes you indistinct to be a jack of all trades. I'd very much rather build momentum in one area and then sort of sub-branch within that area, or make other mini jobs or mini possibilities out of that area. I'd rather do that than I just do anything and everything. That's like not good. So basically, basically last night I was supposed to do some photos. Like what I do is I go to nightclubs, restaurants, and then I charge a certain amount for photos, and I see like there's groups of friends maybe having fun, maybe a couple on a date, so on and so forth. And I'm not sure why, but people really feel the urge to talk to you whenever you take a video. I will knock you out. Leave me alone. Not leave me alone like entirely, but then don't disturb me doing what I'm doing, kind of. Anyway, I wanted to point out like my experience last night. I felt like I can't talk to anyone, or I felt like, I'm not sure, just a bit constricted. So what I did was I just mastered up the energy to walk around. And people started calling me to come and take photos of them. Simply because, that's that photographer guy. It's that photographer guy. Oh, it's Veneka. You see, I've been doing it for like almost a year here in Beloya, and people know he's the photographer guy. That's the photographer. And so they automatically know to call me. Now, let us say I was doing photography and I was selling perfume and I was doing some odd thing which is not in the same line. Like, realize that I wouldn't have built the same amount of momentum. In fact, I'd have lost energy in the transition between doing all these jobs. There's the energy that you lose in doing that job, the time that you lose in doing that job, and also realize that there's the time that is lost in the transition between doing these 2, 3, 4, 5 different jobs. I understand that it looks smart to do 5 different things so that in theory you don't get broke, because one of the things fails, then you have another thing. One of the things fails, then you have another thing. But here's the thing. You might fail at all 5 things by attempting to do 5 things. You are not 5 people. You do not have 5 times. You have 1 time that you're dividing into 5 now, right? So now you might have a somewhat okay, maybe photography career, because you put 1/5 of the time that you're supposed to into it. And people know you as, it's the perfume guy. Or, the photographer. The plumber. It becomes confused. So realize that you can harvest momentum if you're going in one direction, and you can have a greater speed if you're going in one direction. And it doesn't mean that you won't have different streams of income. Just make those streams fall in the same direction. And that's what I wanted to point out.